These are the subjects exactly we'll be covering in whole Ayurveda. So, if this is the case, what exactly Ayurveda deals with? Dharmartha Kama Mokshanam, Arogyam, Moolam Uttamam. Health is the primary requisite to be in or to achieve. What to achieve? Dharma, that is righteous path. What I should follow, what I should don't do. If I follow something wrong, what will be my future? If I hit someone, what will be a return from that person to me? Yes, if I am good to you, you are good to me. Or if I am bad also, you may just walk out. Otherwise, a person may give me back whatever I have given them. Where is dharma, righteous path? What to be followed? Artha, wealth. Wealth is not only the money aspect or monetary aspect. It is the wealth of our qualities. Our behavioral qualities also comes here. Kama, desire. What all I am supposed to do for myself, for my work. Yes, that's a good karma. If I start taking or stealing someone's husband or a wife or a girl or their money or their property, that becomes excess desire. So, dharma, artha, kama has to be controlled, managed to attain moksha. That is liberation from the worldly affairs. So I am not interested in someone's property or someone's friend to snatch in, or I am not interested to take out someone's vehicle, or I am not jealousy of something. I am self-satisfied person. The time that a person sees us, wow, he's really godly man we call, a godly person we call. That is moksha present in this world we can feel. By seeing a people we do feel that, like our Swami Vivekananda or Buddha or our Dhanvantari or Agastya Rishis or our Patanjali. They all worked for this dharma, artha, kama, and they gave a fantastic knowledge of Ayurveda or yoga or Siddha medicine or whatever it is. So, Dharmartha Kama Mokshanam Arogyam Moolam Uttamam. Thus, health is primary concern for any living being. When I follow all these things, my health is maintained. So, what all to be followed, what not to be done, this is exactly explained in our Ayurveda as a basic science. Every country has its own resource and culture, depending on their environment, healthcare and system. Local health traditions may appear to have no principles as a base, but it is not true in the food practices of health-related practices of our country, India. These practices in India, like Ayurveda or Yoga or Siddha, they has a basis of philosophy, and the most ancient healthcare system in this is an Ayurveda. What as we know, Indian philosophies believe that there cannot be a new creation. Even an advanced research cannot create without what is existing in the universe. We are only a searching dharma, artha, kama, moksha for our arogya, to keep our health in a better medicament.